Hi, baby Lewis. Your first video. Say hi. See, I'm a month old yesterday. Hi. And I just smiled for the first time today. Hi, the handsome boy. Are you going to smile for Mama again? Hi. Hi, Michael. You smile for Mama again? Today? Hi, my sweet boy. Hi. Hi there. Hi. Give Mama one of those beautiful smiles. Can you give Mama one of those beautiful smiles? It's coming. Here it comes. No? Okay. Hi. There. Yeah, almost. Their face is beautiful.